Good evening to everyone. My name is Jidivya Sri. I am studying Junior Inter BPC in AP Balyogi Gurukulam Pudur at Noidpeta in Nellore district. Today we discuss about topic is transverse binary fission in paramecium in our zoology subject. First of all, we know the paramecium. Paramecium is a single-celled freshwater animal. It also known as slipper animalcule. What? Slipper animalcule. Because paramecium, it has like a slipper-like structure. Here we see the diagram. This is the slipper-like structure paramecium. Now we discuss about the paramecium. In diagram parts, this is pellicule, this is cilia. During locomotion, cilia helps in locomotion. This is anterior contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole, this present in anterior side, that's why we called anterior contractile vacuole. The paramecium, there are two nucleuses are there. One is micronucleus and another one is macronucleus. Why do we call micro and macro? The macronucleus, it has like a large nucleus, large size nucleus. That's why we known as macronucleus. The micronucleus, it has small size nucleus. That's why we called micronucleus. This is oral groove. This is cytostom. This is cytopharynx. This is foot vacuole. This is posterior contractile vacuole. Already we know anterior contractile vacuole. This is posterior contractile vacuole. That's why contractile vacuole present in posterior side we known as posterior contractile vacuole. This is cytophyte. This is the diagram of paramecium. Now we discuss about transverse binary fission in paramecium. Stages of binary fission in paramecium. Transverse binary fission is performed by paramecium. Here, binary fission is the most common method of sexual reproduction in protozoa. During favorable conditions, means optimum temperature, availability of food, that paramecium stop its activities like locomotion, feeding, etc. after attaining its maximum growth. Now, macronucleus. Already we know the macronucleus. Macronucleus is divided by mitosis. This is the macronucleus. The macronucleus is divided by amitosis. The micronucleus is divided by mitosis. The macronucleus is divided by amitosis into two daughter nucleus. Here we see the two daughter nucleus. This is one nucleus, this is two nucleus. Now then oral groove is disappear. After karyokinesis, the transverse constrictions appears in the middle of the body. We see the middle of the body. This is the transverse constrictions. The parent which depends the parent individual divided into two daughter individual. Here we see the parent individual. This is the parent individual. The parent individual is divided into two daughter individuals. This is two daughter individuals. Here we see the separated two daughter individuals. The anterior one is protar and posterior one is opisce. The protar receives the anterior contractile vacuole, cytostom, cytopharynx. It develops posterior contractile vacuole, oral groove, etc. Then the opisce receives posterior contractile vacuole. It develops oral groove, new oral groove, cytostom, cytopharynx, etc. This all the binary fission is almost completed into 2 hours. The binary fission are also known as homotheterogenetic fission because of the binary fission at right angle to the longitudinal of the body. At right angle to the longitudinal of the body. That's why the binary fission is also known as homotheterogenetic fission. Thank you for me good opportunity. Stay home, stay safe.